Hey beautiful people, today I'll be spilling the tea on how to make yet another crop top that's perfect for the spring and summer seasons. I'm using lightweight chalice fabric for my crop top, and I also have the following items. Fold your fabric right sides together. Measure the length you want your top to be and draw a vertical line to represent that length on your fabric. Measure your bust circumference plus an extra 5 to 10 inches. Divide that by 2 and draw a line horizontally to represent this. Measure and mark from that horizontal line the desired crop top length, and use your ruler to draw another horizontal line connecting all those marks. Use the ruler to draw another vertical line to complete this rectangle. Pin the 2 layers of fabric together and then cut the rectangle from the fabric. Measure your above bust area minus 4 inches and divide by 2. Cut your 1-inch elastic to this length. Do the same thing for your 1/2-inch elastic, however, you're going to be measuring below your bust. If you are new here, I'm Gabby and this is So Quaint. On this channel, every week I teach creative people like you something new. If you're not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Stitch the sides of your tube top using a 1/2-inch seam allowance and finish the sides with a serger. Finish the rest of the raw edges with your serger as well. Stitch the ends of the elastic together and divide the top and bottom of the tube top into 4 equal parts. Do the same thing for the elastic bands and then pin those 4 parts on the elastic to the 4 parts on the tube top and stitch the elastic to the tube top. Fold the elastic down and top stitch, and do this for both the top and bottom. Once this is done, you can wear your crop top any way that you like. You could wear the thick elastic at the top, or you could wear the thick elastic at the bottom. Either way, it works. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I want you to comment down below. I can't wait to make this tube top.